I recently ticked off a big item from my bucket list. I didn't go to a new country or jumped off a plane. Instead, I took my parents on their first ever trip to Europe, sponsored by me. My parents' most favorite thing about this trip was my choice of luggage, and they had their own reasons. Papa loved it because the bags just glide. Mummy loved the packing cubes and the fact that she could also twin with the bags. Thank God, and thank you for the custom name tags assembly. The next thing they loved was the trains. Papa in particular was just awestruck by how on time, comfortable and clean they were. Train के अंदर देखो या बाहर, views उतने ही सुंदर थे. Thanks to the unique print of our luggage. है ना कितना सुंदर? And last but not the least, we all unanimously loved the Eiffel Tower. I relived some of my most profound childhood memories on this trip. So go take that much awaited trip with the people you love, and don't forget to carry these beautiful printed luggage sets by assembly that truly the icing on the cake. Bye bye.